And welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Now, if you like decorating DIYs, tablescapes, thrift flips, then you've reached the right channel. Welcome to the Amethyst Adventure. And if you haven't done so already, click on that red subscribe button and double tap on the notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Now, in today's video, I am going to be participating in another open collab. So the name of this open collab is the exclusive Christmas Decor, Decorate with Thrift. And it is hosted by Glam Elegant Living, Phyllis at JRC Restoration Decor and Designs, the Rodgers House, Sandy at Sister Cousins Lifestyle, Melissa at Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things, A Happy Hoarder, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now, we were tasked with decorating any area of our home with thrifted items and to include the colors black and white, a timeless affair or combined decorating styles. Today, I use thrifted decor to decorate tablescapes and vignettes. So I hope you enjoy what I've put together for you today, and I hope it gives you inspiration. I wanted to start working on my first project this morning, and this sleigh, hope you can make that out okay. Very nice wicker sleigh I got from Goodwill, and the price was $4.99. And then this basket I got from Goodwill as well. The price was $3.99, and both of which were half off for the Christmas in July. There. And hopefully, I'm going to take the foam and cut that down just a little bit so it would fit inside us. DIY number one. For my tablescape today, I started off with a white faux fur rug that I'm going to use as this sleigh that I did as a DIY. Next, with some white candles on wrought iron stands that are also thrifted. By the way, I wanted to mention that mostly everything on this table is thrifted or I got from Dollar Tree. This little plate stand, and I'm going to just move this back slightly and put the plate stand down in the front. I'm going to come in with gold chargers. Our place setting, I have a black Dollar Tree plate. I have these linen textured off-white dishes that I got from the at-home store on clearance some time ago. And then I'm going to use the same bowl that goes to the set. For our silverware, I have gold. Also say that all of the items that I got from Goodwill were on clearance, 50% off for the Christmas in July sale. Our glassware, I'm going to come back in with a black glass that is also a thrifted item. So here tray, I'm going to add a sweet treat, because I always like to have a sweet treat on my table. So I have some mints and some strawberry candies that I got. Our final accent I have a little more of this red beaded garland that I'm just going to leave around our table. And this is where my Christmas vignette will stay until the end of the Christmas in July season.